as it's now time to present the awards, the Certificate of Excellence and trophies to the personalities for setting examples by their excellent contribution in services and leadership. So ladies and gentlemen, starting off with the awards, with our first category, among Best Architect and Valuer in Dehradun, the award goes to Mr. Gaurav Verma. Mr. Verma is a government-approved valuer and empaneled as an architect with Rural Works Department, Uttarakhand. Next category is for Best Upcoming Residential and Institutional Architect Firm in South India. And the award goes to FWD Architects. Please put your hands together for Mr. B.V. Narendranath Reddy from FWD Architects. The next category is for Most Creative Interior Designer Firm in Ludhiana, and the award goes to the Idea Consultants. Please welcome on stage Mr. Baljinder Singh, Director, the Idea Consultants. Next award category is for Among Best Architectural Service Provider in Uttar Pradesh, which goes to Vastu Lipi. Please welcome on stage Mr. Puneet Srivastav, Principal Architect of Vastu Lipi, a comprehensive architectural service providing company engaged for more than 25 years. The Principal Architect, Mr. Srivastav, is a graduate from IIT Roorkee, has successfully completed a number of prestigious projects comprising of group housings, buildings, hotels, schools and institutional buildings and more. Next is the award for Best Upcoming Architecture and Interior Designer Firm in Hyderabad, which goes to Live Architecture and Designs. Please welcome Mr. Yash Dayamat, Principal Architect, and Mr. Sandeep Reddy, Partner at Live Architect and Designs. Up next is the category for Among Best Interior Designing Institute in Nasik, and this award goes to IDT Nasik, Institute of Design and Technology. Please welcome on stage Mr. Mahendra V. Shivale, Founder and Director, IDT Nasik. The next award is for Best Interior Designer in Meerut, which goes to Architect Arpit Kaur, Principal Architect, AD Architects. Please put your hands together for Architect Kaur. Next award is for Best Commercial Architect and Interior Designer Company in North India, which goes to Ephoria Architects Delhi. Please welcome on stage Mr. Bhupendra Kumar, CEO, Founder, Ephoria Constructions, to receive the award. Most Promising Pharmaceutical Company of the Year 2018 in North India, the award goes to Solace Biotech Limited. Please welcome on stage Mr. Kamal Chawla, Director, Solace Biotech Limited, to receive the award. Next award is for Most Promising Wedding Planner and Ambience Creator in Karnataka, which goes to Mrs. Poonam Mayank Sharma. Please welcome on stage Mrs. Poonam Sharma and Mr. Mayank Sharma to receive the award. Up next is the award for Most Promising Event Management Company in Karnataka, which goes to Pied Piper Events. Please welcome on stage Ms. Reena Sara Lobo, the Director, and Mr. Vivek Sridhar, CEO of Pied Piper Events. Best Real Estate Consultant in Bangalore, which goes to SSB Properties. Please invite on stage Mr. Vishal V. Parvani, founder SSB Properties. Please welcome Mr. Sanjeev Singh, founder and CEO SKJ Properties. The award for Among Best Play School in Uttar Pradesh goes to Future Kids Play School. Please welcome on stage Dr. Sudha Rani, Director at Future Kids Play School. Up next is the category for Most Comprehensive Architect and Interior Service Provider in South Delhi, and this award goes to Acanthus Architecture and Interior Consultants. Please welcome on stage Mr. Nikhil Gupta, Lead Architect and Managing Director, Acanthus Architecture and Interior Consultants, Delhi. Next is the award for Among Best Wedding Hospitality Provider in Delhi, which goes to Heading Wedding Events Private Limited. Please put your hands together for Mr. Jatin Tulsiani, Director, and Mr. Hari Mohan Jha, Director of Heading Wedding Events Private Limited. Most Promising Real Estate Company in Gurgaon, NCR. And the award goes to My Shop Deal. Please welcome on stage Engineer Ankit Malik, Director, My Shop Deal. Next award is for Best Biotechnology College in Punjab, which goes to Chandigarh College of Technology Department of Biotechnology. Please welcome on stage Dr. Shalini Verma and Dr. Arokya Babu from Chandigarh College of Technology to receive the award. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we put an end to the awards, and let's take a moment to give a huge round of applause to all the achievers. I would request all the achievers to come along with their trophies for a group photograph.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे प्राइम टाइम के लिए?
This is a very good platform, and at least through prime time, at least we are like able to showcase our designs or whatever products or services we are providing to our clients. So that's a good platform. Thank you so much.
सबसे पहले मैं थैंक यू करूंगा प्राइम टाइम मीडिया रिसर्च का, और उसके बाद मैं थैंक यू करूंगा अपने कुलीज का, अपने स्टाफ का, अपनी फैमिली का, और मोर मैं थैंक यू करता हूँ लुधियाना के लोगों का जिन्होंने मेरे को एक चांस दिया कि मैं उनकी सर्विस कर सकूं, उनकी सेवा कर सकूं.
Really like to thank Prime Time for giving us a platform to encourage all the young entrepreneur and putting them on a big notice that they have achieved a first milestone, a long way to go.
We would like to appreciate and thank you Prime Time for having given us opportunity, for giving us time to look out for people who are doing very well in the industry. So it is a great platform for us to grow even more and inspire people who are following.
It's a very good opportunity which is provided to us. Earlier the people does not think real estate as a very good brand, but we have just entered with the language and with the concept of friendship. So we have entered with the model of friendship. So whatever the clients would look up, because buying a home is a very difficult decision of someone's life because they used to do the transaction just once or twice in a lifetime.
I also want to thank my staff, my colleagues, who made our company to this level that we are being chosen as the best brand in real estate.
Event management is a very challenging field. especially now because there are so many event managers. It's very, very important for us to stand out and also learn and keep moving forward.
And this is my 5th award, nationally recognized for excellence in the field of architecture. And among the global leaders being recognized, I'm very grateful and glad for Prime Time.
प्राइम टाइम की वजह से नए यूथ को नया स्कोप मिल रहा है, नए बिजनेसेस को स्कोप मिल रहा है इंडिया में खुद को रिप्रेजेंट करने.
I feel proud and honored to be received this award from Prime Time. Therefore, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the Prime Time for encouraging us through this award.
ये कहना चाहूँगा कि प्राइम टाइम बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू प्राइम टाइम.